Hey, John here with Real Hardware Reviews. Hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. And today, I have one of the lowest cost microphones I have ever reviewed, and one of the most impressive ones. This is the Fifine K8 by Fifine. It is a cardioid microphone designed specifically for vocals. 19-inch cable comes with it. That is XLR to 1/4 inch. I'm running XLR to XLR with the phantom power off. No modifications whatsoever to my audio other than the fact it is set to 100% and the Phantom Scarlett Solo Generation 1 because I can't afford a Generation 3. With that, let's take a closer look. Now we answer the age-old question, what's in the box? With the K8 from Fifine, you get their thank you guide and their full warranty information. Full 2-year warranty, which is absolutely excellent. Then you get their how-to guide. Basic, simple, but everything you need to know, as well as the fact that it's pretty freaking awesome. It will tell you everything you need to know, as well as the specs, the website, which will have all the added information that you don't get in the little guide. You also get an external pop filter. Don't get me wrong, there's already a built-in pop filter on the inside, but you have an external pop filter as well for double the pop filtering. After that, we have ourselves the nice 19-foot long XLR to 1/4 inch cable. Thank you, Fifine, for such a high quality cable. And the fact that it's so freaking long, you could definitely set it up if you're going to do live voiceovers or live vocals of any sort, which is absolutely great. Next, we have a little carrying bag. It's a nice carrying bag. This reminds me a lot of any of the HyperX plushie carrying bags to make sure that your product stays safe. Lastly, we have the K8 itself. The beautiful all-steel microphone that does have a bit of weight to it, but has all that quality. With that, let's jump back into the rest of the video. As you can hear, it sounds completely fantastic. I'm going to quickly check the polar pattern by disconnecting it from here and spinning it around like another awesome audio channel does. If you are wondering what that awesome audio channel is, it is Podcastage. I don't know the guys, but I absolutely love the guy's work. Seriously talented guy. Make sure to check him out. With that, we are now facing directly in front of the microphone. Vocals on. No external pop filter, but an internal one is in it. And we first test right here. Now, I'm sitting behind the microphone, spinning the microphone around. Can you still hear me fine? I hope you can. I'm not seeing any issues yet. I'm still seeing that audio going quite high and no problems whatsoever. So we've completely spun it around with no audio issues as I can see, but it does look like I do sound a little bit quieter. Now I'm nice and loud again. Let's plug her back in. So right now we are testing 6 inches away. Right now we're testing 1 foot away. Right now we're testing about 3 feet away. Right now I'm testing near my door, so I can be about 5 feet away. Now, I know what you're going to ask yourselves. How bad does it pick up background noise? Let's slide the microphone over. And we're going to test with MX Blues, because everybody tests with MX Blues. MX Blues are sitting about 1 foot away underneath it. So with that, you can tell it does pick up noise in the background quite well. And that is, as the polar pattern would go, directly below the microphone pointing straight up. And it was a wee bit loud, as you can tell. So, are you going to pick up audio in the background? Is this going to be a solution for gamers? No. I'm sorry, it's not. Is it going to be a solution for voiceover actors? Oh, yeah. If you're getting into voiceovers, doing your own YouTube videos, and you do a bit of voiceover in the background after you've done playing the game or whatnot else, this is phenomenal. I mean, $27.99. That's pretty damn good. And it still picks me up when I'm really, really quiet. I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm more than pretty impressed with it. I'm so impressed with it. I was going to give it my real deal award, which I'm going to give things with value. It does have a great value, but it's getting my hardcore award. Hardcore. Why is it getting the hardcore award? $27.99. Amazing sound. I mean, some of the microphones I've tested in the past sound pretty good. And I can say that in full honesty, they sound good. This thing sounds great. It sounds amazing. I mean, it picks up my weird radio voice, no problem whatsoever. Listening back, I can hear myself as I hear myself in my head, and that doesn't happen very often with any microphone. And this is with zero editing and post. This is just raw audio. With that, I really am impressed with this microphone. I would give it basically a 10 out of 10 for the quality it is. It is a full metal construction. The built-in pop filter is great. The external pop filter is great. The cable that comes with it is great when I was testing it on an amp. But then again, if I try and test it on an amp to plug into to play over to speakers to another microphone to hear, you're never going to get the true audio version of what it's going to sound like I do to my XLR to XLR with my Scarlett Solo. So with that, do I recommend it? Hands down. I recommend this more than pretty much any vocal mic I've tested in the last year. It sounds phenomenal. And it sounds great on a basic boom stand. This is hopefully the last video of the cheap boom stand. I got a boom stand video coming up for you guys on the upgraded boom stand, upgraded setup. With that, $27.99. Does it sound good? It sounds amazing. And I hope you guys have really enjoyed as much as I enjoyed just screwing around with this video. You guys have yourselves a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and comment, as you know, the usual deal. And I've got a lot of microphones on the way from a variety of brands like you wouldn't believe. From the low cost to the very expensive. I'm John with Real Hard Reviews. Have an amazing day.